Did you know IKEA Kuwait is one of the most visited furniture stores in the country, with thousands of families redesigning their living rooms every year? Start with a surprising fact about IKEA's popularity in Kuwait, or ask viewers if they know the latest trends in living room designs. Introduce the concept of IKEA living room designs in Kuwait, highlighting the blend of style, functionality, and affordability. Discuss common challenges people face when designing their living rooms, such as space constraints and budget limitations. Explore various IKEA living room setups, showcasing different styles, layouts, and practical solutions for small and large spaces. Highlight the standout design or innovative idea that transforms a living room, showcasing before and after visuals or testimonials. Recap the key design elements discussed and their potential impact on viewers' living spaces. Invite viewers to comment on their favorite design, share their own IKEA experiences, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.